Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm opening another holiday one. Looks like it should be the charcuterie board, unless it happens to be a rare, but let's open it and see what's inside. I think it's just the charcuterie board because the rare I think has a green base. But all the tables have different patterns. That's a cool plaid one. And then we have some stuff that's wrapped up. Here's a box of crackers. That's cute. We haven't seen those before. We have some honey. It's our resin. Wrapped up is some deli meat, some prosciutto probably. Oh my gosh, adorable. Strawberries, apple, some cheese. Different sliced cheeses. Good variety there. This is the package they give you for all of the holiday ones. It's a holly berry, and that goes on top of here. There's also a hole through the top of it in case you want to display stuff in it and hang it as an ornament. I think that's really cute. They also gave us this little honey thing. That's fun. And last, we have, of course, our Christmas tree tray. Here's the charcuterie board. I'm gonna try to make it look like theirs, at least try. We're gonna add some resin down and then it just shows you adding everything in. Kind of concerns me on how that's gonna cure, but we'll see. So I have everything opened up. I don't want to put resin on this. I think it's too cute to get resin on. So I'm going to use a toothpick to spread some of the resin out on there. Let's see. I imagine this is, oh no, it actually does look like honey. I thought it was going to be pretty thick looking, but no, not really. So let's put some on there and spread it around as evenly as possible. Which might be a little difficult. So excited for this one. I did the Christmas tree already and the Yule log, so check that out if you missed it. I'm gonna try to find that rare though. I have not seen any of the holiday ones, not even the Halloween ones in my Target yet. But I got so lucky. I ordered them on Target and I ordered, I think 4, and they even sent me the rares. So that was so awesome. Did not have to hunt for that. So let's unwrap this cheese first and kind of use that as a starting point. Oh my gosh, how cute. And they already took a chunk out of it. Oh my gosh, that's adorable. So they have theirs laying down here. Doesn't show what they did with the wedge. Maybe they just kept it on the side. And then they added some apples over here on the side. So let's start leaning them like this. Probably should be using my tweezers. I have these really tiny, precise ones. There we go. That's cute. Then they did add some blueberries in here to fill out this area. I've already spilled the blueberries, so why not? I'm gonna add those in. They didn't give too many blueberries, actually. Whoops. I like that there's 2 different shades of blue, though. Love that they do that. That might be good. Tap everything down, make sure it's touching. Now it looks like they have some of these crackers lined up behind here. These are so cute. Like that. Looks like they have two. And then maybe one of these laying flat. At least that's what it looks like. Of course, do whatever you want, but I'm not very creative, so I'm going to try to follow how they have it. Looks like these are just like lined up behind the cheese. Oh no! No! Cracker down! I was kind of afraid of that. You know what? Maybe it could just stay there. Maybe I could throw a strawberry or something in the middle of that. Or add that wedge of cheese that we took out. That might be cute. And then speaking of cheese, they have these laying back here. And they're kind of stacked on the side. Like we did with the apples. I'm going to try to go every other color. These are so rubbery feeling and cute. Okay, now they have prosciutto. It shows that we get to roll this and then cut it, which sounds fun. Let's take it off of here. Very rubbery. I'm a little concerned that this is just going to fly open and we're not going to be able to get it. Yeah. Of course it's going to do that. And I don't think it's going to stay put when I set it in the resin. Let me try. Maybe I need to put a... Girl. How are we supposed to do this? I'm going to try to put a strawberry back there to kind of hold it. I'm not sure that that's going to work. I mean, I hope so, but maybe. About to find out. I don't know if there's a way I could... Ooh, maybe I could roll it up like this, put a dab of resin on it and hold it with a tweezer like that and cure it. That's what I'm going to try to do. Okay. It's kind of rolled together. Kind of unrolling as well. I think it's as good as it's going to get. Let's see, should I put a strawberry there? It seems like too big of a space. But I guess I can put one down like that. Strawberry's a little bit big. Okay, let's get another prosciutto. Okay, second piece of prosciutto. That's not too bad. I don't know if I should fill in the gaps. Should I put like a blueberry over here and kind of rearrange that? I think I'm going to cure it and then I could add to it if I want to. So let's try that. Here is the finished product. The resin actually set really quickly with my UV flashlight, which hasn't been the case for a lot of the new ones, so that was nice. The only difficult thing was rolling the prosciutto, but again, maybe there's easier ways to do that. I think adding the resin was helpful. They did kind of fall over so they're not completely upright, but I think it turned out really cute. Gave you all the ingredients, a couple leftovers. I have like 1 blueberry, 2 strawberries, a couple crackers, a couple cheese, but you could cram those in there if you wanted to, or maybe put them on a plate off to the side. That would be cute as well. So I give this one probably like a 9 out of 10. I thought it was a really good idea, easy, fun, and yeah, we have lots of little leftovers. If you want to see me try to find the rare, subscribe and stay tuned. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.